Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create workspace in my Runway account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type app.runwayml.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Runway. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. And on the left side of the navbar, you can also look at many things like assets, videos, images, more 3D, etc. You can also upgrade your plans from right here. But right now, we simply want to create a workspace. On the top left section of the screen, you will find your username right here. Simply click on it. It's gonna open up something like this. Now you can manage your workspace settings from right here. You can also manage your plans. You can also count members and everything. And here's the create new workspace button. Simply click on it. Something like this will open up. Enter your new workspace name. Once everything's okay, simply click on next. Now you can also invite your members to this workspace right here, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm simply gonna click on maybe next. Now let's see if our workspace has been created or not. Simply retrace the steps, click on the top left corner of the screen, and right here is something called as Greg New, the new workspace I just created. Now for instance, you want to delete this workspace. Simply go to workspace settings. A new page like this will open up. From here, simply go to settings. In here, you can change your workspace's name. You can change the logo. And if everything's okay, simply click on save. And right here is the delete workspace button. Simply click on it and give confirmation. Your workspace will be deleted. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you create your workspace and delete it in Runway AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.